Not all data on the internet waits for permission. Some just sends fast, raw, and unchecked. If TCP is the careful communicator, UDP is the reckless speedster. Today you will know how UDP works and why hackers love it. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It is a connectionless protocol, meaning it sends data without establishing a connection first. No handshake, no confirmation, no guarantee. Just send and move on. Here's how UDP works in simple terms. Step 1. Data is broken into packets called datagrams. Step 2. Each datagram is sent independently. Step 3. No checking if the receiver actually got it. That means no acknowledgements, no retransmissions, no sequencing. Speed over reliability. That's UDP. Let's compare it quickly. TCP, reliable, slow, connection based. UDP, fast, unreliable, connectionless. TCP checks everything, UDP trusts nothing and verifies nothing. UDP is used where speed matters more than accuracy. For example, live video streaming, online gaming, VoIP calls like WhatsApp or Zoom, DNS queries. If a packet is lost, it's usually ignored instead of resent. Think of UDP like sending a voice note. You don't wait for confirmation, you don't resend if it fails. You just send and hope it reaches. This is where things get interesting. Because UDP has no verification, it becomes a favorite tool for attackers. UDP flood attack. Attackers send a massive amount of UDP packets to a target system. The system tries to process them and get overwhelmed. Result: denial of service. DNS amplification attack. Attackers send small DNS requests using spoofed IP. The server replies with large responses to the victim. Small request, massive attack. Since UDP doesn't verify sender identity, attackers can fake source IP address easily. Defense against UDP attacks. To defend against UDP-based attacks, use firewalls to filter unnecessary UDP traffic, enable rate limiting, monitor unusual traffic spikes, use IDS IPS system. In Linux, you can check UDP connections using ss-u or netstat-u. This helps you monitor active UDP communication on your system. UDP is fast, efficient, and dangerous if misused. If you want to become a cybersecurity analyst, understanding protocols like UDP is not optional, it's essential. Follow for more cybersecurity content.